this wide part sits in that wide gap right there. You see that gap? Because there ain't one on that side. There's only one on this side. Right there, that gap. This gap right here. This gap right there.
What?
That one. Up in there.
Okay.
This part goes in that gap, okay?
I got it.
But it goes like this. It goes up. Alright? It sits like this. Way up in there. But you got to roll it in, so you got to turn it this way. Stick it up in a hole like this, and then push it up in there. Roll it up in there.
Roll it up?
Yeah, roll it up in there. There you go.
Is
Like that. Just like that. Yeah, like that. And I might have to pull it forward for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll have to get a little pressure.
Yeah.
Let me get this pry bar indexed here a little better. There we go. I'll have to put pressure and take the weight off of it. Off of that finger, place where I can grab it and pull it forward here. Come on. I don't want to grab anything there. There we go. Got it?
Yeah.
See, the whole crank wants to slide towards the back of the motor because we're up on that ramp.
Hang on. Rolling?
What I had to do is I had to pry it forward. The crank forward. I had to pry it that way. Put the front one in because it wants to go this way anyways. It wants to go to the back. I put the front one in, and then I kind of settled it, and then I pried it back the other way. I pushed the crank that way, pried it against this thing here, pushed it back. And as I did, I just felt that first one kind of go into place and drop into the slot and the groove and everything, so that it was seated properly. And then the other one slid right in. So just snug fit. But you can see it's still kind of loose in there, so it's not really tight. So they both have some play. Yeah, they both have a little bit of play. So just like the old ones that came out.
But the trick is you have to do the front first.
Yeah, I did the front one first. It was a lot easier that way. So yeah, we got it. So now you need to put that main bearing in, the upper main bearing. You need to roll it in.
Yes, sir.
And we'll put the lower cap on and we'll be good. So,
see?
Let's get that. That one done, we'll be done with it.
The master come, everything will be done. No master, no nothing.
Here, let's get some, let me clean my finger up so I don't get dirt on it.
What are we gonna cook dinner?
We're gonna cook for dinner. You asking me what we cook for dinner? We're gonna cook something. I'm gonna cook something nice. Yeah. Here, we also need to lube these up here. Wipe them off. Get the dirt off of them from them laying on the board. Here.
Wipe off.
Wipe them off good. Where's the upper bearing? Here it is. You need to put that in. We'll get that out of the way. I'll put some stuff on this. That's gonna be clean.
After I pan the oil pan, everything is up. I'm gonna.
Oh, you gotta torque everything. We haven't torqued it. We just kind of snugged it back up on there.
I said after
you gotta torque it.
After I have everything's up, oil pan's up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have a lot of beer for myself.
You're gonna drink a lot of beer.
I'm gonna get drunk one day over here. I might throw up too,
Oh, you're gonna get so drunk you throw up.
Yes, sir.
Let's see what you say when you get drunk. If you're gonna be happy drunk,
that's
or
my
mean
victory.
drunk.
No, I'm a happy
Are
drunk.
you silly drunk?
No,
You're not gonna pull your pants down, are you? I had one guy pull his pants down on.
No.
He pulled his pants down on the camera, girl.
No, when I get drunk,
He did. He got drunk. He pulled his pants down right in front of him.
I just look for the bed and lay down. I should look for the bed, but if you can have the bed, I'm gonna walk everywhere to look for the bed and lay down. So that's all.
Make sure you line it up with the keyway.
Yeah. Where is the key? The key's on this side.
Are you sure?
Yeah, the key's on this side.
The key's on that side. So how are you gonna get it in like that?
Here.
Huh?
Here.
The key's on that side, and it goes like this, Chief.
What do you mean?
It goes like that. Like that, right?
The hole's right here.
The key is right there.
Yeah.
Alright, so that means you gotta roll it in like this.
So that's what I'm doing.
Okay.
I'm here. I'm going from the key inside. The key gonna stop, right?
Yeah, the key makes it stop.
Yeah. So that's why I go from this side up.
I hope you got the rest of them right. I gotta question you on this a little bit so you don't double guess yourself later. You don't go between here and the interstate and you end up with a seized up bearing. Don't be cussing at me. I'm telling you how it works.
I'm not cussing at you. Now what? Now the hard part, how to get this thing in.
That's what they call rolling main bearings in. I have seen some people have to turn the engine. There it is. You can see it come out the other side now. Right here. It's starting to come out. Yeah, just a little bit more. Make sure she's lined up for that keyway. Don't scar it.
Okay. Last push.
There it goes. Perfect.
Last push.
Alright, we'll put a little extra on this because that came in a little bit on the dry side, so we'll put a little extra on this. There we go.
I know you're trick now. You try to tease
Yeah,
me.
you rotate around by hand a few times, it'll lube it up real good.
Yeah, but you're teasing me. You're laughing at me. You make it work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nobody's teasing.
It's like fishing, you gotta hold your mouth right.
You try to trick my mind. You know, you can't do it.
Now this square notch goes to the front, this arrow, okay? But we have thrust bearings, so we need to put thrust bearings in it this time. There we go. Now, you're gonna have to hold these. Here, see that little arrow pointing that way?
Yeah.
Now this goes towards the front, so I'm gonna hold that. I'll hold it, grab a bolt. I already got my hands on it, and they're already slick with this oil, so, and they're clean, so. Yeah, don't let those pieces fall out. You don't want this thing to bounce around, those pieces will fall right out of place.
Can you hold it right there?
Yeah, I got it. Drive it up home. That's good. That's good. Stop right there. Go rotate the engine, and I'll make sure these are still
This
in
is
place.
just level 1. Should we do level 2?
Not yet. Just rotate the engine. Let's check, make sure these things are still in place where they're supposed to be at. Okay.
Going what? The same direction, right?
Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna go one way. All right, stop right there. I want to make sure that's up all the way, so I'm gonna grab the little thing.
Whatever.
That's fine. Number 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna torque them later. When we get torque them when we get